Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, first of all, go to notification area and turn on Bluetooth in your phone. Turn on Bluetooth here, and this Bluetooth device can be scanned on other devices. Okay, so bring another device here, and here to go to notification area and turn on Bluetooth and long press Bluetooth and click on pair new device, and here Samsung Galaxy S24 will be scanned. Okay, see here, listen here, available devices will be showing. Just wait, it is scanning going on. Just wait. Yes, see here it is showing that Durais S24 Plus. Okay, this is the device name, that is a Bluetooth name of this S24 Plus. Okay, if you would like to change this Bluetooth name to be displayed over other devices, what you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to about phone here and go to edit, and here just delete available text and write your own text. Here I write Gerolina and click on done. Okay, now the device name Gerolina will be showing as your Bluetooth name in the other devices. Okay, now see the changes. Now I get another device, the same device, and I just go back and click on pair new device, and it will be freshly scanning. Just wait. Now the Bluetooth name will be what I said. Okay, that is Gerolina should be shown here. Okay, just wait. It is still scanning. Just wait. It is still scanning. Just wait. Available devices. Pair new device. So quickly. Yes, it is showing. Gerolina is showing. So Bluetooth name is changed in my phone. Okay, so I can set my desired name for Bluetooth to be displayed on the other devices that are scanning mine. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.